Okay guys, welcome to your fourth tutorial on C Sharp, and in this we're going to look at getting user input. So again, I went to make a console application. Down here we open it up. I changed mine to input to namespace. I left the class as program. I'm showing you next lecture how to remove this and put your own class name in. So here we have the main methods, and we have console.write. So we're writing to please enter sport1. So string, a variable, sport1 is console.readline. So it's going to read in this variable wherever we type in. Okay? And again, we have the same here. And I'll put read line at the end just to hold the program open so it doesn't close. Otherwise, it will just flash. Okay? So that's sport number 1 here. Okay? So I'm going to put in soccer. I'll press enter. And then here, I'm going to put in golf. To do like that. And if I press enter, you should get the two sports are soccer and golf. Okay? Now you can see that I had a little issue here regarding the gap. Okay, now I did actually correct it in the last one, so you need to put a space in here, okay, like that, and save it, and that means it will separate it, and you'll see the rows apart again, separate. Maybe if it runs again, it might be a bit slow, I don't know, but sometimes it can be slow at the start, and that's why I had the window already pre-opened here. I'm going to have to run that again, and it is taking a while to build it, so that's the reason I actually have it pre-opened. But here, let me have a look so we can try. Soccer. And we'll put in golf again. Press enter. Hey, and we still have it here. Oh, hold on a minute. What have I done here? Aha, I should have put it over here. My bad. But anyway, just separate it here, and you'll get your spaces that you need. Okay. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.